This is a pronunciation pre-class material. You can find it on the third page of your PDF this week. Today we're going to talk about the sound of U. It's a pre-class material, so your teacher is going to go back and review this with you and go over all the sounds we're going to pre-class today. So let's get to it. There are two parts here. In the first part, you are going to pronounce the sound very open and very short. So repeat after me, please. Good book. Took a look. Good looking. Fully cooked. Shook his foot. Sugar cookie. Push and pull. Wool pullover. Wooden hook. Good childhood. Now we're going to do the opposite. You're going to make the sound very, very closed, frontal, and long. Too few. Fruit juice. Soup spoon. New suit. True value. Blue shoes. New moon. Suitable suitcase. 2 rooms. Super cool. Let's practice together. Number 1. Would you help me look for my book? The sugar cookies taste good. The butcher is a good cook. He would read the book if he could. Butch visited his old neighborhood in Brooklyn. The new roof was installed in June. I drink fruit juice and need a lot of soup. Your blue shoes are really cool. I need proof that you're telling the truth. The statue on the avenue is truly beautiful. Repeat again, please. Good food. Full room. Cook stew. Blue book. 2 cookies. Too full. All right, that's it.